slide 39 of this, and I'd ask permission to publish. This is the Minneapolis Police Department training materials on dealing with crowds, right?
With large crowds.
Large crowds. Crowds, officers are trained, crowds are dynamic creatures and can change rapidly, right?
Yes.
You would agree with that?
In this particular training for large crowds, correct.
But even in small crowds, even if you have 10 people or 12 people, crowds are dynamic creatures, right?
In certain instances, yes.
And they can change very suddenly, right?
Yes.
Just a second, Your Honor. If we could take that. Oh, this is on. And I agree that this deals with larger crowds and larger protests.
Yeah, the training is specifically for mobile field force. I'm an instructor for mobile field force as well, so yeah, I'm familiar with similar training.
Yep. And again, officers, they are experiencing this training, right?
Yes.
And they're taught never underestimate a crowd's potential, right?
Correct.
And again, crowds being unique to the particular circumstances of a particular case, right?
Correct.
And so ultimately, when an officer is on scene and he's making a decision to use force, and a crowd assembles, whether they're peaceful or not peaceful, an officer, a reasonable officer, has to be aware of what they're doing, right?
Absolutely.
And that can distract an officer.
In certain instances, yes.
And as people start trying to communicate to the officers, that can take their, whether it's, even if it's just peaceful, hey officer, hey Sergeant Stiger, you know, let's talk. That's distracting that officer from what he or she is doing, right?
Yes.
Okay.
It can.
It can. And an officer has to be prepared for the unexpected. A reasonable officer does, right?
Yes, they're always mitigating the risk.
And I understand that part of what an officer has to do is assess the words someone may be saying and comparing it to the tone of how they're saying it, right?
Yes.
That's what a reasonable officer does, right?
Yes.
If I say, hello, Sergeant Stiger, versus, hello, Sergeant Stiger, right? There's two different tones, and my tone can convey meaning.
Yes.
Agreed? And if I start calling you names, that conveys a meaning, right?
Yes.
And saying things like, you're a fucking pussy, you're a bitch, that conveys a particular intent. Agreed?
I wouldn't say an intent, no.
And a reasonable officer could foresee that or see that, perceive that as a threat.
Name calling, I would say it depends on the officer's training and experience.
Okay. But an officer, a reasonable officer, could perceive the words that people are saying and the tone that it is being said in as a threat or a risk to the officer's safety. Agreed?
A risk, possibly, but officers are typically trained that when it comes to verbal threats in and themselves, that you can't just use that only to justify force.
Now,